Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. This is a very short video because it's a sequence, right? This is my little experiment, and please do not say that I'm inhumane or I'm not sensitive towards animals or creatures within my care. Right? This is totally for educational purposes. So I have a small pond at home which it has a lot of stuff at the side in which we call algae, and it has a lot of beneficial bacteria in it. It also has some insect in it and some plants. Now this is what I'm going to be doing. So for the past couple of days, probably some person might say weeks, I have been focusing on fish food. Manufacturing food versus fish food that you have actually prepared or you have actually cultured at home. Now, for the next 8 weeks, I'll be doing a project. Some persons might say that I'm inhumane, but please just listen before you really go into that direction. Now, I'll be placing about 3 fish into this pond. For the next 8 weeks, I won't be feeding them. A whole host of Daphne exists on some of the plants. To ensure that the Daphne are adequate to multiply and to actually benefit the fish protein demands and energy, I took some of the plants from a pond that existed over on the next side of my fish collection farm, right? So I am going to be placing about 3 fish in this big container. I won't be feeding them, and periodically I will come and check and I share with you my findings. But I can tell you from now that the fish will not starve. I'll be checking, and wherever the fish look lethargic, the project will actually cease to exist. So for the next 8 weeks, these fish, I've got one already, which is a orange molly lytail, will actually be placed into this container, right? As you can see, several of the plants are like rotten, getting rotten, is rot, in the process of rotten, whatever you might suggest or state, right? So a lot of microorganisms actually exist within the pond, right? In addition, the Daphne also use the green water, and it also consumes the microorganism which exists on the rotten plant, right? So therefore the Daphne should be getting food, and the Daphne should be providing food for the fish. So we'll see what happens within the next 8 weeks. I won't be feeding these fish, and I'll be giving you periodical updates. Okay, I'm going for the other fish now. To look at something, the fact that I am living in Jamaica, same temperature within the yard, but I am still acclimatizing my fish, moving it from one container to the next, right? This prevents shock. The fish is underneath a tree, a breadfruit tree, right? So this pond would more than likely be a little bit cooler than where I took the fish from. Okay, so therefore I'm acclimatizing the fish. I end up having probably about 5-6 fish in the container. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fish in the container, right? These fish will stay in here. I will not feed them, and as I said before, a whole stock of Daphne exists on the plant. Hear them moving? See them moving? All of this is Daphne, right? And it should do them just well, right? So I'm just waiting a little bit for it to be acclimatized, and then I will just let them be, after which we'll see what happens. So thank you for watching Fish Keeping Jamaica. Raleigh here, and please bear in mind that I am not cruel. Situations do occur wherein which we need to evaluate situations, right? And this is just one situation. The fish will not be abused in whatever means.